Home Affairs Minister Kazimbe Kazembe was grilled in Parliament on Wednesday over alleged harassment of citizens opposing Emerson Mnangagwa's bid to extend his time in office beyond 2028. Sabina Basho Obrani Kwachin's opposition MPs grilled Kazimbe Kazembe over persecution of citizens denouncing 2030 agenda. Don't forget to subscribe or like it on the bell icon. Timna Obrani Kwachin's visit constituency MP Honorable Kobe Odzvanyika questioned the selective enforcement of the law, asking kwese vatungamiri veopposition vachisungwa apo vanoita musangano paprivate place. Ivo veZANU-PF vachiita musangano pavadira, iwo mutemo uchitendera kuita musangano paprivate place. Opposition MPs accused the Home Affairs Ministry of targeting and tormenting citizens across the country who have spoken out against President Mnangagwa's so-called 2030 agenda, saying that individuals have been harassed, arrested, and intimidated for attending private meetings or voicing dissent. Kazembe attempted to defend the harassment of citizens, stating, "What do you call a private place? According to the Maintenance of Order and Peace Act, if your place is accessible to the public, it is no longer private." Lawmakers warned that the continued persecution of dissenting citizens risks deepening political divisions and undermining democratic freedom in the country. Doma developments ari kuda panguva ino akadirector avo kuna Kazembe Kazembe achinzi ava vakomana ava panguva ino vari kuita persecution yemacitizens vari kuuya panguva ino vachivoisa their opinions. Pena comment section medu dzafunguro aim uri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like pachirora on the bell icon.